This is the third and last of the currency-specific indicators that we've been able to incorporate the new table function which has been released on PineScript recently. And I have to say we're absolutely thrilled and delighted with it because it really does make these indicators sing: the currency matrix, the currency array, and also the currency heat map. And this is the currency heat map. And as you can see, I've got two running here. The unusual aspect of the currency heat map on TradingView, and this is not available on the other platforms, this is only available to TradingView customers, is that you have the option to select your own time frames. As you can see here on this side, I've got a 1 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, and 1 week. So that's pretty much aligned with the other platforms. But what I've got over here is very much, if you're a scalping trader, I've got the 1, 2, 3, 5 minute, and the 10 minute. And of course, although each table is only limited to 5 time frames, and that's a function of TradingView, that's not something we've put in place, is that it means actually that your time frames are limitless, because as you see here, I've got 2 heat maps. You could have as many as you wish. So you can cover pretty much any time frame you wish in any combination that you wish. So whether you're a scalping trader, you have one up here. If you're a swing trader, you have a slightly slower one. Trend trader, it doesn't matter. And that's the beauty of it. You can literally change any of these time frames. You just go into the settings here. As you can see here, I've got these set to that time frame down to 10 minutes. But you can literally just change it to anything you wish, anything that's available on here, and it will automatically update. And then you've got all these, all the information here. What is going on? How strong is this buying of the dollar yen here? It's pretty strong. You can see all green cells right the way throughout, from the 1 minute through to the 10 minutes. Same as the Swiss yen, Aussie, New Zealand, pretty strong. And these numbers also relate back to the currency matrix. So it just gives you a complete visual on the 28 pairs, but the important point is you select the time frames that you wish. As I say, this is only available to TradingView customers. We will look at whether we can develop this on other platforms in due course, but for the time being, it is unique to the TradingView platform as far as our customers are concerned, you as our customer. So you can set it to any time frame you like, and of course you can have more than one running. So it's an infinite number of time frames you can run simultaneously, just to give you this wonderful view of what is going on across those time frames. Cable down here, pretty bearish at the moment. You can see here -10, -15, not much bullish activity there. So it's pretty bearish right the way on the faster time frames, right, as indeed are many of these other currency pairs down here. Pound's been selling pretty heavily. You can see here pound CAD, pound Aussie, pound dollar. Got quite a few pound pairs down at the bottom there on the heat map. So it's a really wonderful. We're absolutely delighted. Cannot thank the development team enough. Really looks super sexy and cool. And hope you enjoy it. And as I say, if you've already got the indicator, if you've got the full package, you will get this upgrade free of charge. Thanks for watching. See you again soon, and bye for now.